Guys, here with Tony from Hilltops Vegetation Services. Mate, congratulations.
Thank you.
On the purchase of the case sr150. What do you think of the service so far?
Yeah, it's been fantastic. Bit of pressure on Joe to get it done by the Friday, so
Oh, we're here Friday, we've got it done. Mate, and what do you think of the machine?
Yeah, it's fantastic. Yeah, good size, perfect for us. So.
And why did you choose the case?
Oh, it's just good warranty and good value.
Good brand?
Yeah, great brand, yeah.
Good. And what's that mean to help you out with you boys?
Oh, it's no lift and logs, so yeah.
Perfect, mate. Well, congratulations again, and mate, here to support you, anything you need. Just give us a call back.
No worries, thanks, Joe.
Thanks, Tony. Good on you.